light through the clouds. You fight me now. The storm is come and gone. Your peace is all I'm on. Raindrops fade away. You make a way. My heart begins to see. Your light is calling me. You break the night apart with hope inside my heart. Every storm bows down to your crown. Light through the clouds, shine again, wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. All my praise returns to you. When my heart cries out, you're the light through the clouds. The sky begins to glow. Your grace begins to flow. 1,000 voices rise to the skies. You paint the world with peace. My doubts begin to cease. Your hands renew the day in your way. You break the night apart with hope inside my heart. Every storm bows down to your crown. Light through the clouds, shine again, wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. All my praise returns to you. When my heart cries loud, you're the light through the clouds. Your light will never fade through every night and shade. Forever I will see you're with me. Light through the clouds, shine again, wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. All my praise returns to you. When my heart cries loud, you're the light through the clouds. Light through the clouds, shine again. Light through the clouds. River of fate, carry me home. Through the valley, through the rain, your love remains the same. Every shadow fades away when I hear you say stay. Your light flows deep inside the current where I hide. You wash my soul again, my dearest friend. You call me by my name through waters clear as flame. All my doubts erase in your grace. River of faith, forever wide, pull me close, don't leave my side. Every tear that fell away, you turn to day. River of faith, pure and true, all my hope returns to you. Every wave I face leads to your embrace. The sky reflects your name, your peace a gentle flame. The mountains bow below as waters flow. My heart has found its shore, I won't wander anymore. Your hand will guide my way, night or day. You call me by my name through waters clear as flame. All my doubts erased in your grace. Your mercy lights my days. I hear your gentle call. I give you all. Your truth, my heart's delight. Your love restores my sight. No fear can ever stay. You lead the way. Heaven opens wide. Your glory can't be denied. Every tear erased by your grace. Kingdom of grace, holy place. Every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of the heavens start to sing, the dawn of our true King. The stars bow down in awe, your perfect law. You crown the earth with peace, our spirits find release. The past is washed away in your day. Heaven opens wide. Your glory can't be denied. Every tear erased by rise to remain. Your glory ends the pain. The darkness fades away. You are the day. Your flame will never fall. Your truth outshines it all. Forever you will be the light in me. You open up the sky. Your love can never die. Every heart made new in you. Eternal light burns so bright. Lead me through the endless night. Every tear, every cry turns to glory high. Eternal light, pure and true. All my days belong to you. Let your grace ignite. Eternal light. You speak and worlds awake. The heavens start to shake. Your word creates the sun, the Holy One. Your radiance never ends. It heals, restores, and mends. Forever I will be in thee. You open up the sky. Your love can never die. Every heart made new in you. open wide. Your glory falls inside. The veil begins to tear. Your presence fills the air. Every heart awake for your name's sake. The light descends like rain. You heal our hidden pain. Every shadow flies when you rise. We lift our hands on high. Your spirit fills the sky. Every soul made new in you. Heaven open wide for your grace. Shine your light on every place, every voice and every cry. Rise into the sky. Heaven open wide, pure and true. All our hearts belong to you. Let your love abide. Heaven open wide. The angels start to sing. Their voices crown the King. The earth reflects your grace in your place. Our spirits rise in praise. Forever we will raise the anthem of your throne. You alone. We lift our hands on high. Your spirit fills the sky. Every soul made new in you. Heaven open wide for your grace. Shine your light on every place, every voice and every cry. Rise into the sky. Heaven open wide, pure and true. All our hearts belong to you. Let your love abide. Let your glory reign through joy and through the pain. Forever we will be free in thee. Heaven open wide for your grace. Shine your light on every place, every voice and every cry. Rise into the sky. Heaven open wide, pure and true. All our hearts belong to you. Let your love abide. Heaven open wide. Heaven open wide, forevermore. Heaven open wide. Rain of blessing, fall on me now. Every dry and broken land now drinks from your gentle hand. Tears become the sea of mercy free. The clouds begin to glow. Your presence starts to flow. Every heart awaits. Grace overtakes. Wherever I may go, forever I will stand in your hand. Rain of blessing, pure and true, wash my heart and make it new. Every drop that falls tonight brings your light. Rain of blessing, soft and sweet, covers every wounded beat. All my praise I raise for your rain of grace. Rain of blessing, fall on me now. Rain of blessing. Ocean of love, I'm drifting in you. The waves reflect your face, I'm lost in your embrace. Every tide I feel, your love is real. The currents pull me near, no room for any fear. You wash my heart away in grace that will not stray. All I am is yours forevermore. Ocean of love, deep and wide, carry me beyond the tide. Every tear, every pain, washed away again. Ocean Let your waters flow wherever I may go. Forever I'll be found safe and sound. Ocean of love. Breath of heaven, fill me again. In the silence I can feel your presence, warm and real. You move like morning light through the night. Every heart you bring to life. You calm our storm.